first thing I'm going to say might be surprising, but hire a wedding planner. Sometimes people think they don't have enough money in their budget to hire one, but what those people might not know is that hiring a professional, experienced, reputable wedding planner can actually save you a lot of money in the long run. Not only do they have connections to other vendors in the area, they can review your contracts for any errors, mistakes, or overcharges. They can also find you other ways that you can save money. There might be things that you don't need that you thought you did, and your wedding planner can help advise you on what makes the most sense and what doesn't. A couple other things that you can consider would be hiring a catering company that's outside of the venue. If your venue allows you to bring in an outside caterer, this often can help you save a little bit of money. They might also be more flexible with what they can offer, staffing, and more. So definitely talk to them about that. The other thing to consider too is the bar. If you could bring in a licensed professional bartending service and then purchase the alcohol separately through Costco or Bevmo, etc., you'll be able to save a lot of money there too.